How to redeem eBay gift card. Use an eBay gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can redeem your eBay gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To redeem our eBay gift card, open up your browser and just go to ebay.com and log into your account. Right, once you log into your account, add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Then tap on the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the cart icon from the top right, over here you'll simply find this option called go to checkout, and from here you have to simply tap on the go to checkout button. Then once done, this is the kind of interface you will see, and here you can just add a payment method, and underneath that you can see it says gift card, coupons and eBay bucks. So if you have a gift card that you want to use, simply enter the gift card code over here, tap on apply button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed to purchase the product that you're trying to check out. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can redeem your eBay gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.